All right, guys, back at you here. I think I just spotted our dinner over there in the yard. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a big white ibis. Walking through my backyard, and I'm gonna go get him with my casting net here. I'm gonna go get, gotta be quiet. We don't want to scare him. I'm gonna get my casting net ready, and I'm gonna go get him. You ready?
Yes.
He's gonna get away if I don't go quick. Oh, my ears just take him up. What am I gonna do? Is he getting away? Oh, there he is. All right, guys, shh. Get him. Go. Get him. He's getting away, Mama. Look at him. He's getting away. Oh, he's coming back my way. All right, here we go. Wow, that's a pretty one.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Here we go. You guys, wish me luck, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. We'll get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh, baby. Oh, there goes my dinner. Oh, man. No. Oh. Oh, man. All right, guys. That just didn't work. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You want birds to do it this time?
I don't know, guys. I don't know. But anyways, I think we've reached the point in our video where it's time to...
Subscribe.
Or what's gonna happen?
You're gonna end up in Pompeii.
Oh, Pompeii! That wouldn't be good unless it's modern day Pompeii. Then you'd like be on a sightseeing tour or something. But anyways, guys, until next time, everybody, take care.